In a matter of days, the Omicron variant of the COVID-19 virus has spread internationally to some 40 countries. In South Africa, where it was first identified, positive cases have been doubling every day, with Omicron accounting for 75% of all positive tests. This is an indictment of the entire capitalist system. The herd immunity policy of all governments has allowed it to mutate into a more infectious and possibly more deadly form, first with Delta and now Omicron. In 1 week, 14 cases of the variant have been detected in Australia. It is already spreading in the community. 3 students in southwestern Sydney have tested positive. They have no recent history of overseas travel or links to anyone who has. Another 10 positive cases at the school are yet to be determined. The outbreak comes as even the most basic quarantining, lockdown and contact tracing measures have been wound back, setting the stage for an explosion of infections. Since its first detection, the Australian ruling elite have not simply emulated their counterparts overseas, but staked out one of the most aggressive herd immunity positions. Under the baseless claim the variant will be less severe, they have declared a desire for it to spread. As the coalition government's chief medical officer Paul Kelly proclaimed, the spread of Omicron would be his number one Christmas present. The government is refusing to protect the population to a danger whose potential outcome is yet unknown, instead insisting that mass vaccination is a magic bullet against COVID-19. As advice from leading scientists and health experts have stated, vaccines must form part of a global strategy to eliminate the virus that includes testing, tracing, isolation, quarantine, and the shutdown of schools and non-essential businesses. Separated from such a strategy, vaccines can only mitigate the spread, allowing the virus to mutate into more virulent forms. Omicron has confirmed this prognosis. There is no viable way to stop the pandemic and save lives other than a strategy of global elimination. For this to be successful, it must be imbued with a deep scientific understanding. The force which will fight for it is the international working class. Only the SCP and the World Socialist website fights for this perspective and has launched a global workers' inquest into the COVID-19 pandemic to take it forward. Support our fight to eliminate COVID-19. Become an electoral member of the SCP today.